أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ako po ay unang sumabati sa Philippine Xinjiang Blue Association founding ceremony and the first induction ceremony of officers. Alam niyo po, napaka-bigat ng inyong posisyon dahil alam niyo po, sa kasaysayan, sa history ng Pilipinas, napakahalaga po. Very important ang Xinjiang. Ang Xinjiang ay parte ng kasaysayan ng Pilipinas dahil ito po ay parte ng buhay ng aming national hero, Jose Rizal, Dr. Jose Rizal. Mabasahin ko po sa inyo, The history between Xinjiang and the Philippines is deeply rooted in Chinese migration to the Philippines, most famously through the ancestors of national hero Jose Rizal. Xinjiang is recognized as the ancestral home of Rizal's great-great-grandfather Domingo Lam Po, Kainan in Chinese, leading to a park with a replica of his monument built in Xinjiang to honor the shared heritage. Historically, many immigrants from the Fujian region, including Xinjiang, moved to the Philippines, significantly shaping Filipino culture and society. So mga mahal ko, kababayan Filipino-Chinese, at sa mga bago talaga ng mga officers ng Philippine Xinjiang Blue Association, napakalaki po ng inyong responsibilidad upang sundan ang iyapak po ni Dr. Jose Rizal at atin pong isulong ang ating bayan sa pagpunlan. Maraming salamat po. Pinabati ko po ang aming mahal na senador, Jingoy Estrada. At siyempre po, si Cynthia Villar, ang aming mami, si Sir Bernard Avalos, at si Congressman Avalos, si Congressman Villarako, at sa lahat po, Congressman Libanan, sa lahat po ng mga leaders ng aming bayan, katulong po namin kayo sapagkat tandaan po ninyo, ang inyong pinumuli ko ay si Dr. Jose Rizal. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, sir. Please remain on stage. We also have a platform presentation who would like to present to you. 有请本会的正副理事长上台，为 Robin Amelia 阁下颁赠感谢盾牌。再次有请本会正副理事长上台。以下本会将入礼请邀请来给花队请将上台留下。So once again, thank you so much to our honorable Senator Robin Padilla. Thank you for your presence and thank you for your very inspirational speech.
来一个票。
Okay, sir. Can you also pick it up in number for our second prize? What do you mean? 是有福禄的